Please keep children away from the platform edge.
Unfortunate, here's a T-set for our Waterfall service. I wish it's actually an H1, but that's fine. Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Hurstville right now. And just finished that limited stops express train from Central up here to Hurstville. Now I take this train to go down to Waterfall. I will take it at the back, right at the back here, because less people. Plus, we can get a thumbnail shot later on at Hurstville. Oh my gosh, this window sucks. We did it here. And there's also pretty limited stops for this service. There's a big stop between the Cronulla branch and also the Waterfall branch. And we're stopping at Penhurst. One more station, I don't remember which one. And then Sutherland. And then all stops to Waterfall, of course, because that's the unique section. But let's do it. On another T set, unfortunately, I kind of want an H set. Because if not, then I actually won't be able to get all types of trains having a journey filmed on board. But it's just my luck. Because there were tons of H sets earlier on, I actually went down. Back here is actually, oh my gosh, I own the whole car. Okay. I actually prefer filming this like this though. Okay, no skipping here. Next stop is just Penhurst, normal. I think maybe Mortdale and no skipping, and then skip 3 stations. Kind of uncomfortable actually standing here. And another T set, there it goes. Yeah, it's kind of uncomfortable. Hang on. We'll try these things. Oh, I need to pull these. Yeah, there are people here in this car, so let's just go to the way back. I know that door kind of sucks, but let's just see it. Because there's literally no one in this car, so I want to stay in this car as much as possible. Yeah, you see how bad this one is. You see a lot of graffitis on there that they try to remove. But let's just see it.
Closing. Please stand clear.
It's great, we just go back to my original spot. Sorry about that, walking back and forth. This door is okay, it's definitely comfortable. More comfortable than back here, but the window sucks, so that's fine. This window is way better, but it's just not as comfortable. Mortdale, and after that will be Sutherland, skipping 3 stations. This line is pretty efficient actually with T4. I already went down all the way down here. It's crazy. But unfortunately for the branch to Cronulla, it's going to be all stops regardless. So I mean the branch after the sections after Sutherland, no matter where you're going, it's going to be all stops. Except if you take a intercity one, which there's this intercity one coming in. It might be actually some of the H sets actually going to run. It's definitely going to be the H sets running all the way because it's going to be going to Kiama for intercity service. I mean regional service, not intercity, because intercity is going to be Melbourne. Because yesterday I've already seen one that's going to Melbourne. That is such a terrible hot station.
turn clear.
I want to say is that announcement that when they actually goes when there's a non-stop train driving through and they said please stand clear from the platform edges and stuff, they actually said the next train arriving on platform whatever one does not stop at this station. Please stand clear of the yellow line. Please stand clear. That's the thing right there. Stand clear from the yellow line, and then it says please stand clear again. Like why? What's the point? It's the same thing. Just said please stand clear from the yellow line. That's it. That's good enough. Why need to say it again? Guess there might be a fast train driving through then. Next station is Sutherland. We're skipping 3 stations here. There's actually a depot right back there. Not this way, the other way. The T-sets are so bad, these windows. Yeah, there's an H set going. That's an intercity service, 4-car, in a regional service, probably skipping the station upcoming. So, oh, that's the central service. Yep, that's the intercity. That's the regional one because I heard it. I saw it actually on the display board earlier on. It will terminate at central. I think it's gonna go above ground though. Skipping the station. Whatever this is. Oatley. There it goes. Skipping. Next station we'll be skipping. Actually, it's a suburb in Perth, but in Perth we don't have that station. Como. Oh, it's going to be really quick to go down now. Happy with the progress. Light rail is going to be a little bit annoying to do, but hopefully it should be good. Oh boy, this line is so efficient. No stopping whatsoever, not even actually slowing down. Literally full speed the entire time. Love this line. This is definitely my favorite line. And views on the side. Nice. This actually looks pretty similar to how East Rail line is between University and Taipo Market, with that one area opened up with a water. Oh boy, just kidding. This is definitely not. Oh boy, this is pretty. That bridge right there, very good for spotting trains actually, that one. Wow, that one just leads straight into the woods there. Wow, that's a cool path. Film across now. No, go back over there. You can see the views a little bit better, I think. And here's Como, skipping. There it goes, Como. Now this is like in the morning, so that's why they're skipping so many things. But most of the trips, like later on, I think only late night. I've seen late night services on Google Maps literally stopping everything. Like skipping these 3, but these are the only 3 that they skip. Oatley, Como, and the next one, Ja something, I don't remember. But that's the only thing that is skipped, and then after that they stop all stops. Like what the hell? In late night, I guess. But luckily in the middle of the day they do these awesome patterns. Perfect. Of course, not cool for the station, for the people actually living there, and for those stations. But I don't care. I just need to go through them. and run through the sections. Don't need to stop at everything. And here's another station, Janali, that's skip. And next stop is Sutherland. And then after that, all stops to Waterfall, which is like 4 more stations, so it's not as bad. I'm leaving tomorrow, so fortunately tomorrow with the strikes, I cannot take the trains to the airport, which is so bad. Now they should run rail replacement as direct replacement of the trains. They are calling buses to do more, but they already know that the buses will not be able to handle everything. Especially when they're closing every line. If they're closing just one line, that's fine, buses can do it because there are designated train replacement routes.
Followed by Lockwood, Goninan, and Waterfall. Customers can change at Sutherland, or services to Goninan, and the express services to the South Coast. Next stop Sutherland, followed by all stations to Waterfall.
And arriving at Sutherland Station. There are rush hour trains that terminate here. Still no one in this car, perfect. Next station is Loftus. Let's see the branch off. We will see the branching tracks to Cronulla later on, which we will film that. We will still film outbound to Cronulla. And I think there's the tracks right there, isn't it? No, it's actually going upwards a little bit. There it is. Just over there, just branched off. So that track is just for Cronulla over there. There's no intercity services because it will go. Cronulla is on the beach. It's literally on the beach. It's a beach station. It's literally at the beach side. So it won't go any further than that. It's the beach. So it's just this side. They're gonna have the intercity regional services going down through the mountains and all of that stuff to the regional train stations. Still need to take the Kalgoorlie services one day. Back in Perth. I mean back in WA, we don't call Perth for Cronulla. I mean for Kalgoorlie. I'm messing everything up, oh my gosh. And here's Loftus, more island, more side platforms. There are only 2 tracks though for these. Not really a big fan of this. Not the part is okay, but I really do not like the that. with that one. No idea what's the next station. I bet those stations are 30 minutes per train in off-peak. Now, I think most services will go to Cronulla, while some of them will go to Waterfall. Because Waterfall is not even having a... Literally, Waterfall is in the middle of the mountains. There's nothing there. While Cronulla is serving the beachside suburbs, so probably more people go there. Boy, Jesus Christ. Okay, this is a longer section now. Already inside the bush already. Now for this T4 service, there's actually some cool stuff for the T4 because you can see actually it ends at Waterfall. But there are a couple services that actually does an extension to, I think, to a station on the regional service line to do as a T4 service, which is very cool. But I don't remember actually those services. So, but yes, T4, some of those trains will run as a T4, brand as a T4, but start at one of the regional services stations. Not like very regional, it's like maybe like 15 more minutes down after Waterfall for that station. But it's so cool that there are extension trips like this for this line. I think it's like a Helen, something like that. I don't remember the station. I'm not gonna butcher the name, so. Okay, this section is definitely long though for this next station. What? Whatever. We're arriving and we know the name. Wow, the station. Just like this, huh? Wow, what a bad station. Goninan, okay. Still no one used to this car. Wow, what is back this way? The bush looks so cool. And the sounds of nature coming in here.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
There's a bus out there. 9281. That's another custom coach. So many custom coaches. Royal National Park. I guess that's what it is. Or maybe that's National Park at Waterfall, because Waterfall is a pretty funny name.
Next stop, Eco.
Now, if there's actually a waterfall at Waterfall, then that is a nice name. But let's see whether we can see anything cool over there. I think these stations are pretty close by. I checked on Google Maps and it looks pretty close, so. Okay. Just kidding, it's pretty long actually. But we should be almost there. Wow, literally not even 10 o'clock and we already made it down here. Here's the station, we saw the bridge at the front there. This is literally a station going regional over here. Here we are. Wow, what is the station? Okay, there is a concourse though, that's pretty cool. Heathcote and regional going back to Bondi Junction or Central. There that goes. And next stop is Waterfall. Anyone going there? I don't know, probably not, but it's gonna be really pretty later on. Now I'm just guessing because I've never been there, so. Next stop, Waterfall, terminating. And after that we'll do the Cronulla section, and that's all the stations, and that's all the sections filmed on the Sydney Trains network. Crazy that I actually been able to do that within 4 days. Except, I mean, that section, but I actually filmed that section. I know it's T8, T4, T8. Yeah, actually I filmed every section. Because instead actually saying that there's nothing actually going from, I didn't film the T8 going past Sydenham down. But I literally just filmed it with the T4 as the same section, so. I mean, I might not have filmed the section from Walleye Creek over ground platform going over to where MacArthur is or something like that, but I don't need to do that. That's basically it's just the same as the T8 underground. I know this doesn't come from the underground platforms, but that's fine. It should going into the hills. I'm gonna look on this side now because there's the hills over this side. So nice. Back on this side, that's fine. Open up. Still not there though. Here we are, should be arriving. We're splitting tracks. And that's one of the new trains that they have actually mentioned over there. One of the new types of trains that they're like doing train testing to replace some of the stuff. I don't know what types of trains those are. D set, yes, D set. They're under train testing for D sets. D sets, yes. There they are, parked right here. Those looks pretty cool. I think they're used for intercities though, in the regionals, because they have the buttons on the doors. But they're having the designs of literally just A and B set on the outside. Here's Waterfall arriving. Oh boy. Oh, this view is awesome. The mountains on the far end. Oh my gosh. Here we are arriving this side. Wow, this station sucks. What the hell is this station? It's literally just this. There's no other platforms. Even Barara is cooler than is looking way better than this. It's literally just a narrow ass platform in the middle of the greens here, and it's just that. Wow, that's so bull. But I want to say is actually these lines, the platforms, are 10 cars. Like what? They're 10 cars in length. So that's why I can actually walk to the front here and get a shot of the train head. Here we are at Waterfall. That's the station right there, literally in the middle of nowhere. And there's the train right there. That's the thumbnail shot right there. And hope you guys enjoyed this one. That's the home T4 straight down path featured.
The next trip on platform 1 goes to Wollongong. First stop Helensburgh. All stations to Barul, and then all stations to Wollongong.
Wollongong service coming in here. It is actually stopping. All stops. What's that so bull? It's stopping all stops. Helensburgh. That's the station that some of the T4 trains will be extended to. Helensburgh. But that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys back in Sutherland for the next service to go to Cronulla to end off all of the train services. Claim leaves us up top, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.